let that on low and we let it slowly melt together. And now we can add it to our next ingredients. Now we're going to mix these dry ingredients until they're mixed together before we add the Biscoff condensed milk mixture. Okay, that looks good. So now we can add the Biscoff condensed milk and coconut oil. So we've added the melted Biscoff and white chocolate and condensed milk, and we're adding that to the rice bubbles, mini marshmallows and desiccated coconut, and we're just mixing that until it's all combined. Okay, so I've just poured the mixture into a lined loaf tin. I'm pressing it down so it's all nice and even. I'll be putting it in the fridge for half an hour to an hour until it's completely set. Biscoff slice has been chilling for an hour. We're going to add melted white chocolate all over. I added a bit of coconut oil to this white chocolate. Try and do this quickly because it will set on top of the slice. Now we're adding the melted Biscoff, and we're going to do lines, zigzags. Okay, so we're doing zigzag lines, and now we're going to do going the other way. To finish it, we're going to marble it through, going this way and going this way. Okay, and put it back in the fridge to set.